Hey everyone, you think cash is king, right? But what if I told you that depositing $10,000 or more could actually flag your bank account? Stick around, because if you are new here, subscribe. We drop mind-expanding content every week. This isn't about shady deals. This is about you putting your hard-earned money into your own bank, and suddenly, without warning, your bank sends a report on you to the Internal Revenue Service. Wild, right? It feels like an invasion of privacy. You trusted your bank. You just wanted to secure your money. But now you have this uneasy feeling that someone else is watching your every financial move. You've probably heard bits and pieces about this before. Maybe a friend warned you, or you saw a cryptic online post, but nobody ever really explains why this happens, or what it actually means for you. So let's pull back the curtain on this. Because once you understand the mechanism, you'll see it is not about you specifically, but about a system designed to catch much bigger fish. Here's the thing, it all comes down to a law called the Bank Secrecy Act. It was passed way back in 1970 to combat money laundering and other financial crimes. This law requires financial institutions to report certain transactions to the government, and the big one for most people: cash deposits, withdrawals, or exchanges exceeding $10,000 in a single business day. This isn't your bank targeting you. It's a federal mandate. When you deposit $10,000 in 1 cent, your bank automatically files a Currency Transaction Report, or CTR, with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FIN. And this isn't just for single deposits. If you make multiple cash transactions that add up to over $10,000 in 1 day, that also triggers a report. It's about the total cash flow. This data then goes into a vast database. The IRS, the FBI, and other agencies can access it to look for suspicious patterns of activity. They are not looking for your grocery money. Sound familiar? Maybe you sold a car for cash, or you got paid for a big contracting job. You took the money to the bank, relieved to get it into your account, or perhaps you run a small business and you collect a lot of cash payments. You just bundle it up and take it to the bank at the end of the week, thinking nothing of it. You're not doing anything wrong. You're just trying to be responsible, but your actions, while perfectly legal, are now part of a federal report you know nothing about. And that's the part nobody tells you. There is no warning, no notification. No one calls you up to say, "Hey, we just reported your deposit to the IRS." It just happens. But here's where it gets interesting and often accidentally problematic. It's called structuring. And this is what the authorities are really looking for. Structuring is when you intentionally break up large cash transactions into smaller amounts, specifically to avoid triggering that $10,000 report. Like depositing $9,900 twice. You might think you are being clever, flying under the radar. But banks have sophisticated software that flags these kinds of patterns immediately. It's far more obvious than you think. And here's the kicker: structuring is a federal crime. Even if the money came from a legitimate source, breaking it up to avoid a report makes it illegal. It's a felony, so what do you do with this information? First, if you have a legitimate reason to deposit a large amount of cash, just do it. Deposit the full amount. Don't try to split it up. Don't try to be sneaky. That's the only thing that gets you into trouble. Be transparent. Honesty is your best defense here. And if someone ever suggests you break up a large cash transaction, run the other way. They are trying to get you to commit a federal crime, even if they don't know it. The goal isn't to fear your bank. It is to understand the rules of the game. Your bank isn't out to get you. They're simply complying with the law. This insight isn't about paranoia. It is about knowledge. When you understand these hidden systems, you can navigate them with confidence, not fear. Because true financial freedom isn't just about having money. It's about having the wisdom to manage it, to protect it, and to understand the unseen forces at play. If this helped you understand your money better, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe. We've got something even more mind-blowing coming next week.